all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me.
Grind, taking no breaks. Yeah, gotta do what it takes. Yeah, whoa. Grind. Finally got a 70-degree day in Boston, so you know what that means. We got some work to do, right? Now, I told you guys we have that down pipe now. I was gonna return it, but seems like I might be able to fit it. So, CTS turbo down pipe. Like I was saying, I thought I was gonna have issues with the fitment of that down pipe, but it seems like it actually might fit. So, yeah, like I said, your boy called out of work. I have all day to literally get this thing in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jack up the car and get to work on this down pipe. But one thing, you guys remember I showed you guys the little bend in my fenders. I'm gonna see if I can actually bend that up. And speaking of Marco's here. You boys know where we at. We with Marco. Marco was able to, I think he's gonna try to help me fix this bend in my fender so we can install it. So I wanna swap, I wanna do some work my damn self, not just buy a brand new car. God damn, look at this.
Like 10K later makes 500.
Yo, yeah, this thing's like, weighs like, oh my, I didn't even see your seat. What the hell?
Oh, yeah, it's over.
She got glitter? Sheesh. Marco, shout out to you, bro. You always come through and help me. So we contacted Beamer World. We got in contact with them. We let them know what is going on with the fender. And it's just a passenger side one, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and install it still. And then just give it to the body shop that I had the body work done on. Have them see if they can fabricate it with like some Bono or whatnot, just cause we're on a time crunch and we literally have like less than a week to get this car ready, and so it can get its new makeover. So I'm not really too worried about it. We're just gonna go try to install this down pipe today since it's a 70-degree day. It's nice out. I'm gonna try to install this down pipe and then just install the fenders and we just go from there.
Well, I think I have.
Yeah, Manny has with when I went to the shoot.
Okay.
Outside, we got this done.
These bros, but they ain't never been on the channel like that. We got 4 people, so there's no way this shit to take more than 3 hours, cause. But I already told you guys about the fender situation, but we're probably just gonna install them regardless, and then just have a body shop do that type of work. And then Rusty, where your gloves at, homeboy? Oh hell no. But yeah, we finna jack this car up, get to work, and we gonna call it a day.
That really sound good, yeah.
4-cylinder don't get too much love, bro. Whoever designed this, all this work, just to get to an O2 sensor, bro. Perfect day to be doing this, though. Yeah. Get this right out the way, cuz. Hold up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, whole day. Damn, now you got an engine bay. Now we got an engine bay, bro.
Right. They ain't even no point in putting that plastic back, honestly. Just put the strut back in and call it a day.
I didn't know.
I was born and raised in Ishua.
Got the whole top end off.
Don't pull out.
Finally got the connector disconnected. Can see now. Let's see. Can't really see.
Got another bolt.
Got another one?
Down there.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, Joey. These are money man shots right here.
Get to see how you get the tail.
Try to get his fucking clamps off.
Yeah, you're so.
We got Rusty over there being a good boy.
Let's go, nigga.
Sound like you making progress.
Let's go, nigga.
No, relax.
You hear that?
Yeah.
It's either it's stripped or it's stripped. Oh shit.
What's the update?
What's the decline?
Got
Should they have a
it out.
gasket?
I don't mind getting a gasket.
Finally, after
You sure it's not on
a couple
thermal?
of hours of fighting,
Yo, bro.
finally.
Never again.
A beer nonsense.
How much was? Oh, never mind.
I got nigga.
Never mind.
Fucking gorilla hand ass motherfucker.
Oh shit, that was
My dad. He likes to go to the grocery store sometimes.
What the fuck? You said your dad?
Yeah, he likes going to the grocery store, bro. He told me that like 8 weeks ago.
Yo, what?
He's down there.
Hold on, I'm close.
After fighting with this shit for hours.
Nah, only 2 minutes.
You know, it only took us about 5 minutes to do this whole install, guys, from start to finish, you see.
Honestly.
It took us about maybe 30 seconds to get the top of the motor cleared up so we can get the clips off.
Yeah, we did the valve cover.
It took
you
us
know.
about maybe 30 seconds to get the car in the air, you know.
Just valve.
Manny just lifted it up with his hand.
Yeah, we just had the big man over there, so just throw it up into the air.
We said, yo, money, lift up the box. We had those 2 jacks underneath it, yeah? Said we built like lion,
They say man strong.
strong like ox.
Real tight?
Yeah, man.
Too tight, that fish. Too tight, that fish,
Topshada, we're gonna come tune in some more on the YouTube thing.
Brother, you know,
Too tight?
We're gonna call it Force Cunt.
Force cunt. Force cunt and I cunt.
for that first start.
After about half an hour of hard work, you see the sun
Y'all ready?
start.
Come on.
popping.
Got a little burble.
Yeah.
Yeah, that intake like crazy too.
Tall ass. Don't blame me, blame my mama. Should've chose a taller dude to cut it.
That's the face of a happy owner.
Yo, it actually look clean.
Dude, don't it?
I've never seen it like.
Cause you always driving it.
I've never seen it like rolling. Hey yo.
That's how.
Give it a rev. Give it
Get
a
it,
rev.
Rev?
The floating cabs.
You feel me?
You feel me?
Thanks to this boy right
Hell
here.
God.
Got the little burble action. Alright boys, let me just do a pull. Hey yo. Oh my god. Yo, this thing. Oh, bro, noticeable difference right away. I know I'm not tuned, but this thing pulls. I just want to quickly shout out my boys who came and helped me with the install. Manny, E, Chris, Christian, you boys, I appreciate y'all. You guys made it a lot easier, and I wouldn't have done it without you guys. And the wagon sounds so damn amazing. So shout out to you three. Man, when I tell you guys, I am speechless. This car, I have fallen in love with this car even more. This thing, bro, it's a lot. I already noticed how much quicker it is, like how the turbo just responds faster. Everything, like, I'm so in love with this car right now. Like, if you guys see the smile on my face, it's almost like when I had the Supra. But yeah, so this thing is almost full bolt on right now. So intake right now, I have a high flow 4-inch catted downpipe from CTS Turbo. I also have CTS Turbo's intake, and I also have a charge pipe and boost pipe that needs to go in. But I believe the intercooler that I told you guys I was gonna order should be here this week, as well as the intake inlet. So should be full bolt on from there. The only real issues with this install was that I didn't have a lift, so it was kind of hard to get you guys the right footage. But it took a little bit, but the only problems was just getting the stock cat out. But I was able to do that with the help of those boys, and we got it done. And here we are. Now I'm in love with this thing even more. So like I told you guys, big plans for this bad boy. I don't really see anybody really documenting the wagons. I wish people did, because this is like such a fun car. Like, it's such a beautiful car. Not only is it beautiful, but it's like fun. Like, I know it's a little 4-cylinder, but hey man, them things can still be fun. It's not always about the size of the engine. But anyways, yeah, so next week is a big week for the wagon. I'm not gonna have it for the week. Obviously it's getting its makeover, and I was able to contact about the fenders, and like I said, I'm gonna see if I can drop it off to a body shop to see if I can have them fixed, so that it doesn't really disrupt the process, because I really want those fenders on. But if they don't come on, it is what it is. But yeah, full bolt on like I told you guys, coming this week. And then we should be good. The wagon should be in a good stand because I already have wheels. And then I just need to buy tires, and then we mount those tires, and obviously I need the adapters to come in, so should be good. Super glad to where this wagon is coming. I told a lot of people trust the process, and watch, they're gonna jump on the bandwagon soon. But it is what it is. Downpipe installed. Appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, baby.